All right, guys, welcome back to another shop tour. And we have Mark 72 here. As you see, we've got a little more taken down on it. We still have to do the convertible top, getting it off. The front windshield is out. And we also got our driver's side shock tower out. And we're starting to configure how our cross member is going to be for our IFS. And also we are going to make a jack pad as well to fit this. And we got some parts for the cowl. We're going to replace an upper and lower cowl. We're going to get that going here next week. And we'll move over to the body shop. Oh, actually, before we go to the body shop, Bruce's 69. This is one that we had dipped. As you see, we have no floor in it at all. We are going to do a complete floor from the taillight panel forward. This car is prepped and ready for the floor. And also we got our upper and lower cowl in and our firewall. Now we'll make our way over. And here's our full floor for Bruce's car. Getting some prep work done, drilling all of our plug weld holes. Getting the factory frame rail extensions out because we ain't gonna need those. And also working on getting the factory floor cross member out, because with our system, you will not need that. And as you're looking, the seat rises they're not attached. So those will get put in after the floor gets put in. And also, we have a new specimen. This is Stewart's 70 wide body. As you see with the door, which some of you guys may know, that from here to here looks considerably wider. And as you go on back, everything just gets wider as you go back. The inside is the same width, it's just the outside of the car is wider. It's about 3 inches wider on each side. But as it gets towards the front, it actually narrows back to where we can use the factory headlight buckets. And also Stewart is going to do a Boss 9 big block with a 5-speed. And we'll make our way back over to here. We have Vito's car. We're actually starting to get the interior put in it. Carpet's getting in, and typically what we do with the carpet is we will use a steamer and start working the carpet to conform to the floor. As you may know, that some of this floor or some of the carpet does not want to sit down very well. So I find that using a steamer, working it with a pair of clean gloves, and using some Ziploc bags with some sand in it to help it sit down. And we have Cindy's going on, her 69. We've got some underbody stuff that we're getting ready to do. Exhaust, finish up some plumbing. And this is the one that you guys seen with the 10-speed automatic on the underside. This car here, we're just waiting its line for metalwork, or not metalwork, wiring. Then, as you may notice, we have a car sitting outside. We're doing some fantastic test driving on Cindy's 67. And we may have a video of that running and driving shortly. But other than that, that is today's video. So let us know what you guys want to see, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks.